Welcome to Blue's Garden, making turkey noodle soup. I start actually by making my own homemade turkey broth. Starting with the bones from the turkey carcass, add some water, I add onion, celery, carrot. I add a little bit of sage and salt and pepper for my seasoning. I bring it to a boil and then I let the broth simmer for 2 full days. After that, when it's boiled down quite a bit, I strain off all the solids and just keep the liquid. Now to make the soup, I start with that liquid broth, turkey broth, and I will cut up some carrot slices, slice up some carrot, slice up some celery. While I am cutting everything up, I will also boil some egg noodle and then take the carrot and the celery and a little bit of onion in a small bowl, add some water, and I will blanch that, which means I'll toss it in the microwave for about 45 seconds to a minute, really just to soften all the vegetables. And then I will add the leftover cooked turkey to the broth. So once the noodles are done, strain the water off and add that into my pot. From there, I'll add the broth, my turkey bits, my blanched celery, onion, and carrot, as well as the egg noodles. And then I will simmer that for a couple of minutes, probably 15-20 minutes. Bring it all together. If you like this, please share this video with some friends. It really does help me out. Thanks. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.